Hey everyone! Do you often feel bloated and uncomfortable? You're not alone. Let's dive into the biggest bloating triggers and how to stop bloating now. Bloating can be frustrating, but understanding the causes can help you tackle it. Let's look at some common culprits. First, foods high in fermentable carbs like beans, dairy, and certain fruits and veggies can cause gas and bloating. Try cutting back on these to see if it helps. Lactose in dairy is another big trigger. If you're lactose intolerant, switching to lactose-free options can make a big difference. High sodium foods cause water retention, leading to bloating. Drinking more water can help flush out excess sodium. Carbonated drinks fill your stomach with gas. Switching to non-carbonated beverages can help reduce that bloated feeling. Regular physical activity and managing stress can also help keep your digestive system moving smoothly and reduce bloating. If you're struggling with bloating, try these tips and see what works for you. For more health tips, like and subscribe to the channel.